You know of all the condition I have. You know of my HIV status, the depression. But this one that is taking me to my grave is my secrets, okay? Yeah. I don't think I am going to live up to a year.
Jama people they do our women so they collect their pikin from there. Very very bad. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Today matter na about this lady wey be say they collect a pikin for Germany. Yeah, my darling people, una know say I first do one yesterday. Tell una say they collect e first pikin when she come dey cry say lala she no go gree. You understand? E get the reason why I wan do this update again now, because I see say she write come out for her Facebook say they don come collect the second pikin again. No, so when I hear am I say no, this one dey very very painful, my darling people. This one dey very very painful when I see am. So as I see am, the thing just pain me, like the thing shocktalize me, my darling people. So my ogbonge people, I come see say she post the pikin say they don come for the pikin this morning. You come collect am. I come say now this one be the thing. Oh, if they collect your first, if they don collect first one, the second one will go see dey their eye, you know. And another thing when I want to tell our people be say, if you dey social media, mind wetin you dey write for your Facebook, because this girl, she talk and say she get HIV. You know, una understand na that sickness. He say she get am, so every time whether she dey write come out, whether she dey post, sometimes e go say e wan advise people wey get the same sickness with her. You understand? So she go write, e go advise them. Later she go come still write say very soon e go say RIP for herself very soon. The way im dey look am, she fit gbeme so time because she dey think too much, she's depressed, you know. So many things wey she dey write for her Facebook. I believe say those people that they see am, they see am, because I see somebody comment just now say why they no go collect the second pikin from you, because wetin you dey always dey put for your Facebook e no good. Wetin you dey always dey write for there e no good, e dey very very bad. You understand? You dey always dey write say you wan die, so you dey depressed, you dey this. So wetin you dey write dey always dey attract them to do this kind thing to you. You understand? So she dey always dey write different things for her Facebook. So I believe say na wetin make them dey do am this kind thing. You understand, my darling people? So na wetin me I believe na be that one, because wetin this girl dey write alone, you go dey feel say she wan just gbeme so. You understand? So e dey very very painful. I believe say because she talk and say she don first go psychiatric hospital before. You understand? She talk am by herself. Now see wetin come dey happen now. E dey very very bad, very very painful. Say your own pikin they come collect am for your hand. Very very bad, my darling people. I just feel for her. I feel for the daughter, because this one will be say they can't collect this pikin from her again la. And this pikin na oyibo na she born her for. You understand? So the thing can just shocktalize me. Either in with the oyibo not dey again, you know, or I not just understand, because the girl na Ghana girl. Now we be say they don't come collect this one now. You see, this girl not go last again. She not go last again. I beg, my darling people. Anybody wey get any help when you go fit help this girl, make they help her. Because this one now they can't collect the one wey can your remain now. This girl not go survive am more, because whether she dey post a low for her Facebook, you go even fear. Whether she dey post alone, you understand? You go even fear. Talk less of say They can't even come collect this one. No, very, very painful, my darling people. Please help me to share this video. Help me to share it, because this one now, what's on the apple now? Very, very bad. Very, very bad. You know, good. So they collect person pikin. Pikin wey una no born, oyibo people. Pikin wey una no born, una go collect am from person. It dey very, very bad. I know say wetin dey get still dey post, e no still good, but e dey very, very bad. Like that first girl now wey dey first collect im own too. I no come know how that one come dey waka for im own again. I no come know, because this one now wey e be say they come still come collect this one own now. E dey very, very bad. Very, very painful, my darling people. Very, very painful to just collect person pikin just like that. Just like that, my darling people. It dey very, very bad. So, my ogbonge people, as I see the video, now I say no, make I come tell like the picture I post where she write. Now I say no, I can't still tell my people, say, see the update, so they don't come collect the second pikin again. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. It's not good. It's not good, my darling people. This life, may we see the reason, may we see the look before we go dey do some kind things, you understand? Very, very painful for your own pikin wey be say you don suffer to train. One person go just come collect am, e no good at all. E dey very, very bad. And this girl now she dey always dey write say na so she want meme, so na so she want die, so she's depressed, she's this, and she don fit go psychiatric before, you understand? Now we be say this kind thing come happen now. Wetin una think say go happen to this girl now? Wetin una think? Wetin una think say go happen to am? E dey very, very bad to just collect person pikin just like that. Pikin when e don suffer for, pikin when e don do everything for. One morning you just wake up say you no go see your pikin by your side again. You no fit sleep. You understand? Person fit die for depression. You understand? E dey very, very bad, for wetin these white people dey do to us. And I hear her video where she talk say make they give am a pikin, she go back to a country. If they give am a daughter, he go back to a country. How person go suffer carry belle for 9 good months? They will come collect the pikin from you just like that, my darling people. It dey very, very painful. Very, very painful, my darling people. So now I say make I come tell you now, beg anybody wey get any help, when you go fit help this our sister, make they help her. Make they help her. You understand? Make they help her, because this one now wey can just happen to her now, e no good at all. E no good for here. You understand me, my darling people? I beg anybody wey get any help, when you go fit help this our sister, make they help her. Thank you, my darling people. Anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Please help me to share the video, please. Maybe you might share it to somebody wey I help her, we go fit help her. You might not know. Thank you, my ogbonge people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral so that the whole world will hear what is happening in Germany right now. Thank you. Bye.
You deceived me for 2 good years. You deceived me for 2 good years. You ask her, what is video? What is video compared to a child? I said, I am not videoing you. I am not. You don't run away. You can't run away. You cannot sell my child. You've done this to many African women. Go on the internet. You've made a lot of African women crazy. People are mad. Okay. Do I abuse my children? Did I ever abuse my child? How can you sell? You think I don't know you've sold my child? You took my child. The day you came to the hospital, you told me you are giving me 1 year. Miss Mensah, go and take care of yourself. That is a promise you gave me. You give me 1 year to go and take care of myself. It's been 2 years now. I always visit my child. Tell me if I ever came without visiting my child. I always come to visit my child. Do you want me to die? What is my offense? Give me back my child and I'll go back to my country. I'm telling you this. Now you want to tell me you are bringing the police to do what? To arrest me, take me to jail? I'm ready to go. I should delete the video?
Yes. If you delete it, we're going to send the police away. Nothing will happen.
I am not scared of the police.
But you should delete it.
Miss Barasha, I said Jijo, I am not scared of the police. I only respect. Don't run away.
Hey.
Don't run away. Please.
Come calm down.
Calm down for what?
Yeah, calm down. Go
You
back.
think you can sell my child? Do you think they can sell my... Why are you running away? No, I want to video her.
No.
I want to video her. Why are you running away? If you think you are doing the right thing, come and talk to the public. Come and talk to the whole world.